In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your GitHub account. If you've decided that you're no longer using GitHub or wish to take a break from software development, here's a simple, step-by-step guide to help you with that decision. First, you'll want to open up your browser. It can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any internet browser of your choice. Once open, head over to the search bar and type in GitHub. It's one of the most popular version control hosting services, so it should pop up right at the top of your search results. Next, you'll want to either sign up if you haven't yet or log into your existing GitHub account. Ensure your credentials are handy and current, as you'll need them to access your account settings to carry out this process. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself on your GitHub dashboard. This is where you'll be able to navigate to the settings needed to delete your account. Look to the upper right corner of any GitHub page. It's where you'll see your profile picture. Clicking on your profile picture will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. It's the gateway to all the options you might want to adjust in your account, including deletion. Once inside the Settings page, you'll see a sidebar on the left-hand side with various options. You'll need to click on Account to proceed. This area contains all your personal account details and the settings that you might have configured, but today, our main focus is on reaching the section that allows you to delete your account. Now, as you scroll down to the bottom of the Account Settings page, you'll encounter the Delete Account section. You'll see an option labeled Delete Your Account, which you should click on to start the process. Deleting an account is a significant action, so GitHub makes sure you're serious by putting it at the bottom, where you can't accidentally click it. Once you've clicked, a dialog box titled "Make sure you want to do this" will appear. GitHub presents this step as a final confirmation. You might be canceling plans and deleting any associated repository data, so it's crucial that you really want to proceed. If you are certain, click on the Cancel Plan and Delete This Account button. This step finalizes the process, ensuring your GitHub account is fully deleted. And there you have it, a straightforward way to delete a GitHub account. Remember, once your account is deleted, recovering any saved data will no longer be possible, so be sure it's what you want to do before finally hitting that last button. Thank you for joining, and we hope this guide was useful for your needs.